हेलो कमाल, कैसे हो? अकेली हूँ आज शाम में, आओगे?
Hi everybody, so I am Aima. उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक होंगे और उम्मीद है कि आपको ए जिंदगी OST पसंद आया होगा क्योंकि मैंने बहुत देर से वो OST गाया है and I just really hope you guys like it too. So we were thinking about doing something different this time because पिछला OST was really good and it turned out to be like the most liked OST of Pakistan. So this time what we did was कि हमने ए जिंदगी OST का karaoke तैयार करवाया हुआ है. Already you can find that on YouTube. Just write down karaoke of ए जिंदगी and you're gonna find the karaoke. And then what I want you guys to do is to send me your version of ए जिंदगी on that karaoke thing and tag me. And what you can get is that you can get a chance to meet me, maybe have a boring day with me. No, not really boring.